All right, this is task 4-2. Log in as a local administrator. Maybe. We are in. We'll need to go to computer management. Right click on the start menu, computer management. Once that comes up, the local users and computers options. Need to make sure we create a reg user 1 for the book. And the domain, we're going to need to create a user as well, the domain controller. So we will create that user now as well. New user. And this is DOM user 1. Make sure when you create users, you turn off the change password option here. Save yourself some work. All right, so we got that. Now we're going to change the local computer policy. A couple ways to do it, but we can run here. Go to GP Edit, MSC. Just to show that it works, we're going to turn off the ability to open the control panel for domain users. Go to the root control panel, prohibit users, set that to enabled. Click on OK. Now if we right click on here and go to control panel again, it blocks us. So since I left this open, we can still make the changes. The book is saying to use the MMC, which is the management console for Microsoft Windows. I'll close the other one since we're going to use the MMC for this, since we're going to make some special options here. So we're going to go to Add Remove Snap-ins from the File menu and choose the Group Policy Object Editor. From here, we're going to hit Browse. We're going to choose Administrators. Make sure you choose the group account here, not the user account, because that would only affect that one user. Okay, so now we come in here and look at this user configuration for the control panel. That bigger. So we can disable this setting here only for local administrators on the computer. We will not save that setting. Now if we go try control panel again, it should work. And voila, it does. So now let's log out of this user. Go back in as our reg user 1. Go to other user. Type in the server name. Reg user 1. Password 01. Log in here. Try the control panel, and it fails as it's supposed to. What about a domain user? Will this affect domain users too? Let's log out and try. So we'll delete other user, DOM user 1. We do not need to put the server name prefix on there because it's already trying to log into the domain as it shows here. Give that a second to log in. All right, we're logged in as DOM user 1. Now we're going to try the control panel with the domain user account, and that fails as well, as we expect it to. All right, so that was the 4-2 activity demonstrating local computer policy and how you can apply it to specific users or groups. Now to turn that setting back off, the book says to log out of this user, log back in as administrator. I'm going to show you another little trick. Sometimes you can save yourself time from switching between users, especially on servers when there's not fast user switching like there could be on Windows 10. So you can go to your start menu here, the GP edit, the MSC, right click on it, choose run as administrator, which will now give you the option to log in as your administrative account without having to log back out, log in, all that extra work. Log in here. As you can see, it's logging into the domain here. Or you could have switched it to the local computer by putting a computer name / administrator. Either setting should get us there though. You can change this policy to not configured like it will be by default. And then now this regular user can open up Control Panel again. As you can see, those settings take effect immediately. I hope this helps you. Attach to our 4.2. Thank you.